the key of A.
For you are glorious.
Listen. Let's play that chord again.
You are glorious.
Jesus. That chord was this. For you are glorious. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use this chord in key C, B flat, key A as well. So let's say in the key of C, right? To form this chord, basically you play a 1 chord and you play a 2 chord as well. 1 chord, 2 chord, and then you add the flat 7. But to voice it, your left hand will play the 1 and the 5, and if your hand can stretch, you play the 3, and then you play the flat 7, and then the 2 major, the nice chord. So let's say amazing grace, how sweet. You can also use this to go to the 3 chord. So let's say a song is playing for 5, 3, 6, 4. We yours. And worthy to be praised. So you see what I did? For you are glorious. We yours. An example will be, you are Alpha and Omega, we worship you, our God, you are worthy to be praised. We give you all the glory. Another way we can use this is to go as a tritone substitution to go to the 4 chord. So let's say in the key of B flat, amazing grace, how sweet the sound. So you can do amazing grace, how sweet. So what I did amazing grace, how sweet. So that's one. Another chord, the same chord but a different. How sweet. By the way, if you're enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up. It just lets YouTube know that this video is valuable, and other musicians will also learn about this chord too. So let's say the key of A, right? The same song that they use. For you are glorious. So this chord, I'm worthy to be praised. So let's try something. So this chord, since you can use it in the key of A, right? Let's try to use this chord in the key of C. So let's in the key of C, right? You are God alone from the first time began. You are God alone. You are God. You can show something like this. Alone. So you see what I'm doing? You are God alone. Or let's try to use another different chord as well. So let's try this one as a tritone substitution to go to the 1 chord. I'm going to show you 2 ways, to the 1 chord and also to the 4 chord. So let's say amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once but now, what did I do? I once. So I'm playing the major 7, and then when I play the major 7, and then I add the flat 7 as well at the end. So, but now I'm found. that's to the 1 chord. Let's try to use it to go to the 4 chord. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. You are God alone from the first time began. You are God alone. You are God alone. You are God alone. You are God alone from the first time began. You are God alone. You are God. At the tritone substitution, alone. So let's try something else. Let's try something. By the way, go enjoy the video. Give it a like so that it can reach a broader audience. Just like the video is giving you some insane passing chord, it's also going to help someone as well. Let's try going to the 5 chord as well. So the 5 chord, Waymaker, Miracle Worker, Promise Keeper, Light in the Darkness. My God, that is who you are. Waymaker, Miracle Worker, Promise Keeper, Light in the Darkness. My God, watch, that is who you are. Or something else you can try will be, my God. Oh, let's try this chord. Something like this. Let's try this. To go to the 6th chord. Waymaker, Miracle Worker, Promise Keeper, Light in the Darkness. My God, that is who you are. So, oh, let's try this. Or let's say to go to the 4 chord too. Miracle Worker, Promise Keeper, Light in the Darkness. My God, that is who you are. Waymaker. My God, that is who you are. Let me show you a scale that you can use on this chord. So let's say in the key of B flat. Amazing grace, how sweet their sound. So you can try to use that chord as well. So amazing grace, how sweet. So amazing grace. So let's try something. You can try a whole tone scale. So the E whole tone scale will be this. So basically it's a scale made up of tones. So tone is basically 2 steps. So I'm not trying to record again. This is my second recording of this video. So you can try to play that chord, that scale over that chord. So let's try something. Amazing grace. Amazing grace. Amazing grace. How sweet the sound. So you can try something. Amazing grace. How sweet the sound. You are God alone from the first time began. You are God alone. Hello. So I did. Waymaker, Miracle Worker, Promise Keeper, Light in the Darkness. My God, that is who you are. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper. In darkness, that God, that is who you are. G minor, then the E whole tone to go to the key of to go to E flat. So another example, let's say in the key of C, right? Let's say you want to use that same tritone as well to go to the 4 chord. You can try you are got a love 24/7 bigger. Oh no. Let's say what a friend we have in Jesus. Da 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 da. What a friend we have in Jesus. Oh. Today. So that's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe for more content like this. And if you like to sound more advanced, check out my piano course. It's going to be the top link in the description. And if you like to keep learning more from me, click on this video right here.